Let's make a beautiful resin comb in just 1 minute. First, gather your supplies. You'll need resin and hardener, a silicone comb mold, your favorite pigments, and some decorative elements like glitter or dried flowers. Now, let's mix. Carefully measure your resin and hardener according to the recommended ratio, which is usually 2 to 1. Stir slowly and thoroughly for at least 60 seconds to make sure it's fully combined. Time for the fun part. Pour the resin mixture into your mold. Now you can get creative. Add your color pigments, swirl them around, and gently place your decorative pieces. See those tiny bubbles? Use a heat gun or torch on a low setting and gently sweep it across the surface to pop them. Next, you have to be patient. Allow the resin to cure completely, which usually takes about 24 to 48 hours. Once it's hard, it's time to demold. Gently sand any rough edges and then polish it up to get that super smooth, glossy finish. And there you have it. Your stunning handmade resin comb is ready. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more satisfying crafts. Thanks for watching.